Okay, what we're going to do now, even though I have him up here, which is a perfect place to have him, is we're going to take our fine tip glue pen and I'm going to move in so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the fine tip glue pen and I'm going to just kind of hold this and fill in. And whenever you use this, the first one is always the one that's going to have a lot of bubbles. So you kind of want to pick a side or a piece that's really not going to be too noticeable. Okay, and I'm going to just outline my little feet right here. I'm going to do his eye. Like I said, I'm going to outline his little feet right there. And I'm just going to kind of do just a little bit here. And maybe I'll pick one color in the stripes that I want to show. And I could even outline his little head. There you go. So now all that has to do is dry and we'll have a nice little relief texture, relief pattern on our little turtle, much like we had right here. So that'll be nice. Now if you have a big bubble, and I'm going to pull in here because I'm going to show you. Right now, okay, all right, see the big bubble right there? I'm just going to take a knife and I'm going to pop it, and then I'm just going to kind of mush that together. Okay, so that kind of smooths out the product, so it looks rather smooth. All right.